ADVB. This has been a runner here for us this week. 13. I don't know if you kind of see the same thing here, but boy, oh boy, I kind of got a trend line going here. Look at this. Kind of ran into some resistance there today. We'll see if we're able to get above that. ADBV, remember, this is the Taiwanese stock. Stock is up 37% here today. Let's see if there was anything fresh on this. Nope. No fresh news here. Quick reminder of the short interest, 1.52%. With 1.05 days to cover. 13, we got multiple requests to give levels and cover this chart. Do you feel good about doing that? Can I step away for just a sec?
Yeah, and thanks for that trend line, because I just drew mine and it's pretty much the same thing. So I love it. So I'm going to be keeping an eye on this trend line here, because we during the price action so far this morning, we've only really had several 5-minute candles close above it, but not consistently enough to actually establish support here. You want to see at least 3 candles above a certain resistance area before we can say, okay, well, that's starting to become support now. So haven't really had that. We did get a little bit of price action above the trend line around the end of closer to 7 this morning. Couldn't get the multiple closes above it. Came right back beneath it. We're still struggling with this trend line, but we're currently above the VWAP right now. So I think what I would be keeping an eye on is VWAP for support, which I have at 2245 right now. But if we lose that, we're coming down to the 2050 area down near where the 65 EMA is. That's going to continue to climb as well while the price is up here. So $20.50 is where I think one of your support levels is. It also looks like you may get some support from 2175. That would be the next one right beneath the VWAP that I would be looking at, but I think your stronger one's going to be down at 2050. Because if we lose that, and we'll have to see if Ryan has it when he comes back, it looks like you're going to get a pretty significant drop if you lose that 2050 area all the way down underneath 22, about 1885, 1890. Brian, do you have a fair value gap from about 2050 to 1875?
I have a fair value gap intraday here today from 22 to 1850.
Okay, that's still good enough.
So and really quick, let's just since we're talking about this, let's just go over it real quick. Okay. Fair value gap, 3 candle pattern. My fair value gap is going to be done on a 15-minute chart. So that's looking right in here to about right here. Here is your fair value gap. And you were real close, just eyeballing that, to be quite honest with you. So well done there. Here it is, though.
And what's interesting about that is that that's very close to VWAP, isn't it?
Yes, it is. It's actually right beneath VWAP. Yeah, it's about 50 cents beneath VWAP, but also the 65 EMA is smack dab in the center of the zone.
Okay, so we got some support levels that we've identified here, a fair value gap. So we have some areas that are could be good for entry. Let's see where take profit levels are. Certainly, recapturing VWAP may be a take profit area for some, as is a break through the trend line that we drew. If we do get all that, maybe 25. Let me look to the left here and see if I can find anything else, because that's going to tell us where some of these folks that are trapped up here at this price want to get out. It might be a little while before I find something here. Oh, here we go. The hour chart helped out. All right, let's see. All right, not until so May. It looks like May we actually had some sideways consolidation right about where the price is at. From about the 14th to the 30th. So basically the last half of May, there appears to be some consolidation that the price is at right now. And it looks like that consolidation is from about let's say $22.50 to $25. Maybe you could even go $25.75 with some of these wicks that are appearing above $25. So I think that would be some of the areas I'd be looking for some maybe trimming or taking profit. The 25, 27 area, if we do get above there. If we do go past that, then there's resistance coming in the 28 and 29 handle.